Using Google Sheet, we can easily create a drop down. Let's see how we can create a drop down in Google Sheet. So this is one of the sample data set, and here I see on column A there are a couple of repetition data is there. So we want to create a drop down based on this column data. So to do this thing, at first we need to choose the location where we want to put the drop down. For example, I want to put the drop down in this cell. Once we select the location where we want to add the drop down, it's time to add the drop down. So we have to choose data, and then from here we'll see data validation is there. We have to choose it, and then right side the data validation rules will be appeared. From here we need to add the rules. I'm going to click add rule, and new options will be appeared. The first option, first box, is for the name of the sheet. So this sheet name and this sheet name are the same. Now there is a criteria. We are going to create a dynamic drop down, so we have to choose from here to from a range, this one. I'm going to select it, and it will be like that. Now it's time to tell the range. So I want to start from A2. This is the like A column, row number 2 till the end, right? So right now I see there is like 101 records rows are there, but in future if I add then the range will not be fixed, right? So we cannot fix the end range. So to do this thing, basically here we just need to type A2. This is the starting time, position A2, and then colon, and end position is A. And I'm not going to put the range like end range. Okay, so it means A, it will continue till there is data or new rows are added. Now we have to press this advanced option, and it will be expanded. Here we'll see okay, not expanded, it actually is showing the filter. I'm not going to check those things. Here I have to click advanced option, and the advanced option will be appeared. From here we have to choose reject the input, and then display style. We can choose any of the style. I'm going to choose cheap style, and then finally it's time to press the done button. Once I press done button, then we can close this thing, and inside this Google Sheet we'll see a drop down menu is appeared. Now if we click here, it is showing everything, all the like rows of data which are unique. And that's it. In this way we can easily create a drop down or dynamic drop down in Google Sheet.